In industries where heavy lifting is involved, companies require reliable and efficient handling equipment. Ensuring the safety of workers while maximizing operational efficiency is essential for maintaining a competitive edge in today's demanding market. At Aerolift, we are committed to helping you transform material handling into a safer, more productive process. No matter if it is precast concrete or tunneling segments, metal plates or wind turbine blades, our expertise, high-quality engineering and manufacturing allow us to provide you with the best solution possible. Vacuum lifters, vacuum turners, or mechanical grippers, we create customized lifting attachments for loads from 1 up to 200 tons and more. Most of our smart lifting solutions are based on vacuum technology, but we have extensive experience with supplying mechanical handling devices to meet diverse industry needs. Our team of skilled engineers is at the heart of our innovation, designing and developing cutting-edge solutions that push the boundaries of lifting technology. As businesses often have specific needs, most of our products are custom-made. For common applications, we offer high-quality, modular lifting solutions with a shorter lead time. As a global company, our teams deliver innovative equipment worldwide, supported by our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in the Netherlands and China. We are committed to exceptional service, ensuring that our clients receive comprehensive support throughout the entire life cycle of their lifting solutions. We believe that together we can shape the future of heavy lifting. Handle with air. Handle with Aerolift.